Hello everyone, this is Nancy. Today I would show you how to do customized hearing aids with 3D scanner. First step, we need to get the ear impression. After we get the ear impression, we need to get the 3D modeling data of this ear impression for real design. With our desktop auto 3D scanner, things are very easy and simple. We just need to fix the ear impression on the turntable and click Scan button, then it would be auto-scanned. Now we get the STL file of the ear impression.
The scan analyzes 1,600 data points around the surface of the impression to characterize the precise anatomy of your ear. Ear Match pairs your ear impression to the closest match amongst hundreds of models in our database to position the microphones for optimal directionality. The remaining components are precisely positioned in your ear. This creates optimum performance and fit for your individual ear geometry. Now that we've completed modeling, we'll start the production. Your hearing aid shells are created using 3D printers, followed by a rigorous process of curing and washing. Expert technicians will hand place the electronic kits. These kits are customized to include the features your HCP has requested, such as a volume control and the power level of the receiver. Electronics are inserted into the shells, then tested for functionality, sound quality, feedback, distortion, and telecoil. The faceplate materials are trimmed. Some comfort features are added, like the removal line, to make it easy to remove the hearing aids from your ears. And the final shells are then lacquered. Last stop, quality control, ensuring well-crafted devices leave our facility. We check the acoustics, the visuals, and listening functionality to prove every aspect of your hearing aids are up to our Unitron standards. Then it's back to your HCP. They'll fit them in your ears, confirm they're working for you, and go over all the ins and outs of your new hearing aids.